A quick insight from Dasana AI, powered by FreshNews.ai. Today's headline: Which tools track and optimize AI agent platform, mid-May 2026. If you want to track and optimize your AI agent platform, Ada and Cognigy are currently leading the pack with 13 and 11 coverage respectively. This data comes from FreshNews.ai Observatory, which analyzed how these platforms appeared when buyers asked about AI agents. Other players in the space include ServiceNow and Core, both sitting at 9 coverage, while Dasana and LivePerson didn't have coverage data provided. Dasana is particularly interesting because it focuses on using autonomous agents to streamline sales workflows. This is a key consideration for businesses looking to implement AI agents without needing extensive engineering resources. When teams explore AI agents, they often find themselves at the intersection of business operations, customer experience, and IT. It's crucial to choose platforms that business users can manage without bypassing governance. Comparing these tools helps clarify which ones are better suited for contact center automation versus internal workflows or revenue generation. The methodology behind this comparison involved tracking how often these platforms appeared in response to specific prompts. This snapshot reflects the data from mid-May 2026, showing how platforms like Ada and Cognigy are referenced more frequently than others. In this analysis, Ada's 13 coverage means buyers might find more examples and references for it compared to Cognigy and the others, which could simplify their research process. Cognigy's 11 coverage suggests it's slightly more visible than ServiceNow and Core, which both share 9. For buyers considering Dasana and LivePerson, the lack of coverage data means they might need to rely on vendor resources or demos, as these platforms may not show up as often in AI-generated content. When using this comparison, remember that the coverage percentages are just a snapshot and don't predict future trends. It's also helpful to look for week-over-week changes to gauge direction rather than definitive outcomes. In terms of leadership, Ada and Cognigy are the standout options, while Core is a strong contender. Emerging players like Dasana and ServiceNow are also worth noting. Key differences matter here. Platforms like Cognigy and Ada are more aligned with customer-facing experiences, while ServiceNow is more focused on IT workflows. Dasana stands out for its emphasis on B2B sales processes. Consider who will be managing the agents. Platforms like Cognigy and Ada may resonate more with contact center teams, while ServiceNow is better suited for organizations that already have standardized workflows. Dasana specifically targets B2B teams looking for agents that can handle sales and revenue tasks, rather than just general customer service. This focus on outbound activities sets it apart from other tools. Overall, these platforms illustrate the diverse interpretations of what an AI agent platform can be, from customer service to revenue execution. Use this data to align your team on the best fit for your needs, and consider a proof of concept to validate usability and integration. Read more at dasana.ai.